So when was the last game?
The last game was actually on my birthday. It was the 24th of April last month.
Happy birthday. 18? 20?
No, 32. 32. And I played Thepchaiya Nooh, who is the #1 player in Thailand.
You trashed him, right?
Oh, God, no. He trashed me. I mean, I can't live with this guy. He's too good.
What level are we talking about here?
Yeah, I mean, he's for sure a top 32 level, but he's just outside that right now. But I'm sure that in a few more years, you're going to see him win a ranking tournament, and I'm sure he's going to be top 16 for sure.